Welcome aboard, ladies and gentlemen. On behalf of United Airlines and our crew, we'd like to thank you for flying with us today. And we sincerely apologize for a delay in our departure. We are expecting a fast flight time of 6 hours and 6 minutes to Narita today. There is a 1-hour time change between Singapore and Japan. The current time in Japan is at 8:45. And based on our takeoff time, we should be touching down 20 minutes early in Japan, about at 2:50. After we have reached a cruising altitude, we'll be serving you beverages and breakfast. Hemisphere's magazine lists all beverages and entertainment options. In United Economy, alcoholic beverages are $6 or 600 Japanese yen. Also, about 1.5 hours before we arrive in Narita, we'll be serving you a snack. We proudly accept Visa cards for your purchases today. We also accept American Express, MasterCard, Discover, as well as other payment cards. Cash is also accepted in Japanese yen and US dollars. The preview guide lists all audio and video selection. Programming will begin in approximately 10 minutes. The duty-free sales will begin after our first meal service is completed. A duty-free catalog is in the seat pocket. Please keep in mind when making your purchases that if you are connecting to another flight in Narita, you will not be permitted to carry on more than 3 ounces of liquids, aerosol, gels, or cream. Use your Mileage Plus Visa card from Chase and earn 10 miles for every dollar spent for all purchases on board, including duty-free. Please use the lavatories in your cabin. For security purposes, congregating near the cockpit is prohibited. Please understand that when the seatbelt sign is on, flight attendants are required to advise you to be seated. For your safety, you must return to your seat and fasten your seatbelt. Please open the overhead compartment slowly and use caution when retrieving your carry-on. Flight attendants have distributed the necessary documentation for entry into Japan. If you are staying in Japan, if you are not a Japanese citizen, if you are not a resident of Japan, every passenger is required to fill out an immigration form. In addition, each individual or family is required to complete a customs form. Only one form is required for family members traveling together. If you have not received these necessary documentation, please notify a flight attendant. Thank you for your attention, ladies and gentlemen. We will do our best to make this a pleasant flight for you.